Hi, and welcome to Williamsport PA Apartments, where we have high-quality two-bedroom apartments for rent. Today we're taking a tour of a newly remodeled second-floor apartment at 938 Sheridan Street. This is a 750 square foot apartment with newly installed carpet and freshly painted walls. You enter the spacious combined living and dining room and make your way out to the lovely balcony overlooking the side yard. Next, let's move through the dining area into the fully renovated kitchen. This all-new kitchen features a beautiful glass-top range, a built-in microwave, dishwasher, above-sink lighting, a spacious pantry, and a refrigerator. You've also got beautiful luxury vinyl tile flooring in this space. Making our way down the hall, we will come to the fully renovated bathroom. This room features a new vanity and modern light fixture, as well as a new tub and surround, toilet, and flooring. This apartment also includes a laundry room with a washer and dryer for your convenience. And here's the hall closet for additional storage. This is the 155 square foot primary bedroom that includes a large bifold closet. And to finish off our virtual tour, we have the 100 square foot secondary bedroom that we would like to imagine would be the perfect home office or hobby room. This room also has a closet for additional storage space. Thanks so much for stopping by for a virtual tour. If you'd like to join our community, please visit us at williamsportpaapartments.com or view the information in the description box below. Please hit the like button and subscribe to get notified when new tour videos are posted. We hope you choose our apartments to be your new home.